and Singapore's biotech industry is getting a big boost. The launch of a new co-working laboratory by the private sector will give biotech startups new incubation space to grow. The government will further strengthen the biotech ecosystem by expanding such facilities at the Biopolis. Michelle Teo reports.
High-tech equipment used by these researchers can cost millions of dollars. Instead of buying such machines, scientists can tap on shared facilities at NSG Biolabs to save costs. They can also get more funding from investors through this co-working environment.
This space provides as a pipeline to our fund. So if there's a company that comes in, it's interesting, we could invest in that company as well.
Such support is vital to the biomedical sector as it's an integral part of Singapore's economy. The sector contributes about 4% of the country's GDP. Speaking at the launch of the lab, Senior Minister of State for Trade and Industry Dr. Kopo Koon says 4 of the world's top 10 medicines are manufactured in Singapore. As these local companies scale up, they will need more room to develop further. That's why the government is supporting biotech startups by adding another 35,000 square meters of research space at the Biopolis. These facilities will be completed by mid-2022.
Startups are one very important avenue for us to unlock the commercial value of our R&D by bringing novel solutions to the market. They complement the efforts of larger companies like MNCs and enhance the vibrancy and competitiveness of our biomedical ecosystem.
Besides infrastructure, Mr. Koh added that startups will need mentoring and access to networks to grow quickly. That's why authorities are working with global innovation hubs to link Singapore companies to research institutes, incubators and venture capitalists.
This will actually provide a fast entry because we have established contacts on the ground, and this will help the startup actually access the network. This is through the 35 overseas offices that Enterprise Singapore have.
According to Enterprise Singapore, biopharma and medtech startups received more than 21 million Singapore dollars in funding in the first 9 months of this year. More than 80 biotech startups were incorporated from 2010 to 2018.